Hey guys, welcome back to another great episode of Sell This Flipping Cars. I'm Zachary, and in today's episode, I got a treat for you. We're going to go ahead and replace the oil lifters on Bank 2 cylinder head on the 4.7 V8 2007 Jeep Grand Cherokee. So stay tuned, guys. Hey guys, welcome back. As I said, we're working on the 4.7 liter V8 engine in the 2007 Jeep Grand Cherokee, and we are replacing the oil lifters on Bank 2 cylinder head. Now, guys, the oil lifters play a vital part in your engine. What do you think they do? Well, they lift the oil from the pan and they send it right and lubricate all your top end stuff up in your cylinder head. Now remember, if you don't have any oil, which oil is used as a lubricant and to disperse heat from the engine, because the entire engine is metal on metal contact, and when metal on metal contact happens, what happens? Friction. Friction causes heat, and a lot of heat. And if you don't have any oil in your vehicle, it will lock up, it can seize up, and you can do some very, very, very extreme damage to the engine. So the oil lifters are very important. So let's jump into Bank 2, get these things replaced so you can get back on the road. Hey guys, man, wasn't that easy? Hey, if you did the valve cover replacement on your vehicle already, or the valve cover gasket, or the rocker arms, or the valve springs, or a camshaft replacement, then you've already been here. What am I talking about? But just in case you haven't been here in your engine before, what'd you think? Oh, I mean, was it easy? Was it hard? Hey, hit me up in the comment section down below, because I want to know. Guys, am I just a weird, rare person out here that you know, I must be some rocket scientist? Does this seem difficult to you? If it is difficult, or you don't have the time to work on your vehicle, that is no problem. There's no problem with that. And you know what? You're not the only one. But that does not give the auto repair shops a reason to charge you so much. It is getting ridiculous, guys. So if you do not have time, or you just don't want to, you just don't have the time for it, guys, and you don't want to pay full prices on your next auto repair bill, I'm going to throw this number right here at the bottom of the screen. You give those guys a call. They are awesome, and they can help you save up to 75% on your next auto repair bill. It'll also give you free, roadside assistance, 24/7 roadside assistance, free oil changes, free tire rotations. Just give them a call, guys. There are some great people, a great team over there. But if you do have the time and you want to learn more, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the like button. That way it tells YouTube and myself I'm doing a great job on these videos. But when you hit that subscribe button, make sure you hit the bell notification as well. That way you get notified of all my videos I release in the future to save you hundreds, if not thousands of dollars on your next auto repair. So thank you so much, guys, for checking out another great video here on the channel. Thank you so much for watching. To all my new subscribers and members, I love you guys. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to the community. And until next time, keep on wrenching. Take care.